Inflammation isn't caused by a lack of turmeric. It's caused by something far more fundamental and almost no one is talking about it. Asterisk, if you're taking turmeric, green tea, or ginger for inflammation and still waking up stiff, bloated, or tired, this video may completely change how you think about inflammation. Inflammation is not your enemy. It's your body's emergency response system. But when that system stays turned on even at low levels, it quietly damages your joints, your gut, your brain, and your metabolism. Most people are told to fight inflammation with turmeric, green tea, or supplements. And while those compounds can help, they often fail because they target inflammation too late in the process. Today, I want to show you something different, something simpler, more powerful, and more biologically fundamental. Here's the truth most videos won't tell you. Chronic inflammation is rarely caused by a lack of antioxidants. It's caused by a breakdown in cellular signaling and metabolic balance. In other words, your cells stop communicating clearly. When that happens, your immune system overreacts, your tissues don't repair properly, and inflammation becomes the default state. So the real question is not what reduces inflammation. The real question is what restores normal cellular communication. One of the most overlooked drivers of inflammation is chronic metabolic stress, especially from unstable blood sugar and mitochondrial overload. When your cells are constantly flooded with energy they can't efficiently use, reactive oxygen species increase. Inflammatory pathways like NFB stay activated, and anti-inflammatory compounds can't keep up this. That's why turmeric and green tea often underperform in real life. They're trying to put out a fire while the gas line is still open. What actually crushes ION-FLO in the most powerful anti-inflammatory intervention is not a spice or a tea. It's restoring metabolic efficiency at the cellular level. That means improving insulin sensitivity, reducing constant energy overload, supporting mitochondrial recovery when cells function efficiently. Inflammation naturally resolves. This is why practices that stabilize metabolism, not just supplements, create deeper, longer-lasting results.
Here are 3 simple principles that consistently lower inflammation. Time-restricted eating. Giving cells a break from constant digestion reduces inflammatory signaling. Low-intensity movement. Walking after meals improves glucose handling better than antioxidants. Sleep-anchored circadian rhythm. Poor sleep keeps inflammatory genes switched on, even with supplements. These don't replace turmeric or green tea. They make them finally work. Differentiation statement. Turmeric can reduce inflammation markers. Green tea can support antioxidant balance, but neither fixes the root cause. When you correct the metabolic environment first, your body doesn't need to fight inflammation anymore. It simply stops creating it. If this reframed how you think about inflammation, leave a comment with the word root. And if you want deeper videos that go beyond surface-level health advice, subscribe, because this channel focuses on mechanisms, not myths.